always यहाँ पे मैं बोलूँगी it's always a personal choice.
Yeah.
It's always a personal choice. Some people go for the second baby. Some people choose not to go for it. So it is always, besides the genetic factors, and of course genetic counseling is required because there is always a risk that's involved. We were also उस टाइम पर हमें 13 साल पहले तो हमें वो बहुत कुछ मालूम भी नहीं था, और वी वर प्लानिंग आवर सेकंड बेबी विद द लीप ऑफ फेथ, जस्ट प्रेइंग विद द ऑलमाइटी, एंड इट्स अ जर्नी. जैसे हम अपने बच्चे के साथ साथ सीखते रहते हैं. सो इट्स अ जर्नी. When we started preparing ourselves for the second baby, we started preparing Sayam also simultaneously.
Yes.
So it was not that it came as a surprise to him. We took good 7 8 months to prepare him that there is a new member who will be coming to our family. You will be sharing toys together. We'll call it Chota Baby. So अगर आपने वो वीडियो देखा होगा हमारा second preparing yourself for second baby, तो and definitely it's a personal choice, I would say. It brings its own pros and cons. डर सबको लगता है. I do understand what you're going through. ये time उधर चला जाएगा, right? But I would say there are both the aspects. It's not just the negative part कि time चला जाएगा, definitely. But that's why we say create a partnership. I knew that for few months I'll be busy with the younger one, और बच्चे की एकदम न्यू बॉर्न की स्लीप टाइमिंग्स अलग होती हैं. आई विल बी एंगेज्ड विद हिम. Bhushan started taking more, spending more time with Sayam, right? Started building connection. So it's parents bonding, parents discussion that have to be in. He started more outdoor activities with his father, so that he's not feeling alone. And Ansh would be sleeping. I would be, spending time with Sayam, making him feel more responsible as an elder brother. We recently found very old videos जब हम Ansh was just 3 days old. और अंश जब हॉस्पिटल से हम उसको घर लेकर आए 3 days का था. We introduced Sayam to, this is your younger brother. उसको आप क्या नाम देना चाहोगे? We started involving him into, okay, name की choices. You are the one now responsible for your younger brother. You suggest what clothes he should wear. You suggest, so making him more responsible. Often sibling rivalry, we are all scared of sibling rivalry. So rather converting this into more responsibility. So we started working on that. So it's not that sibling rivalry was not there. We also face, and with every neurotypical also that happens. But how, as we parents take that step forward, is the whole deal. So I would say it's totally a personal decision. It's not that ऐसा ही होगा या ऐसा ही होगा. Life is very uncertain. The beauty of life is very uncertain. Tomorrow what will happen, I don't know. We plan a lot of things, we share a lot of things, but sometimes life through beautiful surprises, isn't it? So what life has in store for you, I would say just enjoy your journey with life, and whatever decision you take it as an informed decision, but you two have to work together to make it a reality, whatever decision you take, right? And now we often go for our own training, so we are out. Last week we were out for 3-4 days. Both boys, they stay together. We are not scared that how will they take care. Both fight. It's not that they don't fight. Both boys, they fight. They call us, they settle, but they are both responsible for each other, right? So we don't have to worry. Had Sayum been alone, probably अकेला क्या कर रहा होगा, या अंश अकेला होता तो हमें ऐसा फील होता. Now they both take care of, they divide the responsibilities. और जो food कौन take care करेगा, dusting कौन take care, they take care of each other, they take care of the house, and they fight too. So that's also, I'm preparing you, right? It's not that, that's another, but that's the beauty of life, right? So it's completely your choice, but whatever choice you make, just honor it with love, embrace it with love. That's the most important thing.
And it has to be your choice, both of you.
Yes,
It has
ma'am.
to be your choice.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम अगर इन केस हम सेकंड बेबी का प्लान नहीं करते तो फर्स्ट बेबी की मेंटल ग्रोथ हो जाती है मैम, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मतलब कि उसको कोई डिपेंडेंटली ज्यादा तो नहीं पड़ जाएगी मैम, ऐसा तो नहीं कुछ
ऐसे क्यों
होगा
लगता
मैम?
है? और
क्योंकि सिंगल चाइल्ड हो जाएगा मैम, शेयरिंग थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी किसी के साथ।
increase social interaction. Increase social interaction. See, our children need social interaction. Every child for that matter, it's not just our children. Since we are talking about our children here, every child needs social interaction. Problem कब होती है? जब social interaction limited है, घर से भी बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, तो child is completely dependent on parents. और जैसा environment हम around create करेंगे, वैसा ही environment में हमारा बच्चा adapt करेगा, right? तो अगर अगर हम कोई और नहीं है जिससे सोशली इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ आपके ऊपर ही डिपेंडेंट है, तो डेफिनेटली चाहे वो एक न्यूरोटिपिकल बच्चा भी हो, वो बोलते हैं ना मम्माज बॉय, हर बात के लिए मम्मा, हर बात के लिए मम्मा, हर बात के लिए मम्मा, राइट? सो आर इट्स ऑल अ मैटर ऑफ आर अपब्रिंगिंग, राइट? तो वी नीड टू क्रिएट, इन केस यू चूज नॉट टू हैव अ सिबलिंग, क्रिएट एन एनवायरनमेंट जिसमें सोशल इंटरेक्शन उसका बेटर हो. Engage him in play dates, engage him with other children in the society. उसे पार्क लेके जाइए, allow him to make friends. It's very important for our social growth, right? A community is required. आप यहाँ पे भी इस community में जब interact करते हैं तो learn करते हैं ना. It's required for our learning and growth, and that's every child's need. So don't do that with any child for that matter. तो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है सोशल एनवायरनमेंट हमने कैसे क्रिएट करना है उसके अराउंड, सो दैट चाइल्ड इज जस्ट नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन अस एंड इट्स एक्सप्रेसिंग.
थैंक यू मैम,
ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. लॉट्स ऑफ लव.